Hello.
No, no.
Hello, Sam.
Your place is place.
Ah,
Where is here? Here.
where are you?
Adi.
Can you ask me, teacher, where are you?
Where?
Me?
Mudi. Ah, where is here?
What do you mean? Can you hear me well?
Yes,
What is that? I
this.
don't This? What do you mean? I don't
This.
understand. Where is teacher? Where am I?
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, wait. No, this one. This one. This.
Oh, why? I don't The ceiling? The light?
Where is? Teacher, your scream. Scream.
My screen. Why?
Where is here?
This mean here?
Living room.
Ah, you can ask me, where are you?
Where are you?
That's right. Okay, can you ask me one more time? I cannot hear you. I can't hear you. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Where? Where are here?
Where are you? Again.
Where are you?
Ah, I'm at home. I'm in the living room.
Huh? No, this is a
I'm
beach. Beach.
me?
Yes.
No, I'm in the living room.
I see beach.
You see beach? What do you mean you see beach? This is a sofa.
Ah,
Yeah, so I'm in the living room.
uh, in, in scream is this and I see beach.
Ah, oh, because I blurred my screen like that so you can see the beach.
Yes.
Ah, I see. So yeah, no, it's no. I'm at home. I'm in the living room right now. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Anyway, oh, how's Elsa?
Yes, as this next class and I saw
Yeah.
too.
Is she okay now?
Yes.
Oh, that is so good to know. Can you tell me what did you do today?
I just study.
You just study. Did you go to taekwondo?
Yes.
Ooh, what time did you get back home?
6 o'clock.
Can you say I got home at?
I got home at 6 o'clock.
Ah, then what did you do after you came back home?
I don't know.
Did you eat your dinner or
I didn't eat dinner. Oh,
oh,
wait, I'm thinking.
okay.
I shower.
You took a shower.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, that's good. Can you say
I took shower.
you took a shower. Have you eaten your dinner too?
I think
You think so? What did you eat for dinner?
chicken, tteokbokki, kimbap, 어묵.
Ah, so you ate chicken, rice, and tteokbokki?
No rice, kimbap.
Oh, kimbap. Who cooked for dinner? Who made it?
Mom.
Your mom. Did you like your dinner, Sam?
Yes.
Yes, you did. Oh, that's good. Oh, Sam, what's your plan this weekend? Do you have plans for this weekend?
No.
No? What do you want to do on the weekend?
I want. No.
Nothing?
I want to just to sleep
You just want to sleep? You don't
because
want
I'm
to go
very
out?
tired.
You're very tired. You're very tired from
Yes.
you're very tired from what? From school?
No taekwondo.
You're very tired from taekwondo. You don't have any taekwondo class this on the weekend?
No, I have two time.
What did you say?
I have two time in soccer.
You had two times in soccer?
I don't know soccer. Taekwondo.
Taekwondo? What do you mean? You have two class in taekwondo on Saturday?
No, this one. You wait.
Okay.
Change English.
All right. Yeah, I will translate that in English.
Is
Thank you. Let me translate that, Sam. Okay. Let me share my screen now, okay?
okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen now, Sam?
No. Oh yes.
Yes, okay. You go to taekwondo twice a day?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say that?
I studied this in yesterday English Academy.
Okay. Can you say that?
I go to taekwondo twice a day.
You go to taekwondo twice a day.
Yes, I studied yesterday and I mistaken.
Okay, that's fine. Why you have to study twice a day? That's so tiring.
Because taekwondo is very fun.
Because you like taekwondo.
Yes.
I see. I understand that. Okay, Sam. Do you have a lot of friends in Taekwondo?
Yes.
Do you have a lot of friends in Taekwondo?
Ye- I think
You think how many friends do you have?
50.
50? 50 friends?
I think
50 or 15?
20.
15?
20.
20.
20.
Ah, you have 20 friends.
No, 30. Oh,
Like, who is your best friend in Taekwondo?
I don't know because everyone is my favorite.
Ah, everyone is your favorite. So that means you are friendly. Are you friendly?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's good to know. I think you're very friendly. You're very talkative, Liam. Sam, sorry. Yeah, you're very talkative.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's go to your book now, Sam. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go to your book now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's have here. Okay, now we will talk about gerunds as objects. Can you read again?
Gerunds as object.
Yes. So we have gerunds object as object. Okay, so we have here. I think you know this one. Gerund is a verb plus ing that acts like a noun. Very good.
Wait. Mm, mm.
Okay, so we have
Yeah,
here.
I'm ready.
Okay, so the structure here is structure. So the structure we have is verb plus gerund.
Mm.
Changkaman.
Wait, teacher, we study this. Wait. Teacher, wait.
Okay.
Teacher, wait, please. Wait. Where is?
Okay. So we'll have examples. Okay. So for example, okay, we have
Wait.
examples. Changkaman. I enjoy reading. Reading is our gerund here.
Wait.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. So for example, another one, she likes dancing. So dancing is our gerund here. So dancing is our gerund. And reading is our gerund too. Do you understand or confused?
So.
So, okay. So, let's have here. Let's go to your book so I could tell you more. Okay. Oh. So for example, here we have, can you read?
I enjoy swimming.
Yeah, swimming is our gerund.
Gerund.
Yeah, so we have gerund is equals to verb plus ing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we have here. Now circle the gerund. So remember, verb and then we have plus ing gerund. Swimming. Okay. So what about circle the gerund? Do you enjoy reading comics? Which one is our gerund?
Okay.
That's right. Number 2. We enjoyed learning about our history. Good. Now my mom enjoys walking in the park. Very good. Okay, so remember we have verb plus gerund. There you go. Then we have verb plus gerund. Verb plus gerund. Oh, sorry, gerund. Okay?
Plus gerund.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk more. Okay, so remember, okay, Sam, when a gerund comes after a verb, okay, and the verb needs an object, the gerund becomes the object of the verb.
Ah.
Okay? So do you
Okay.
understand that now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now we will have more example. We love cooking. Which one is our gerund?
Cooking.
Cooking, that's right. Okay, so that is our gerund. Okay, so do you understand now?
Yeah.
Is it
Yes.
confusing?
Confusing. Yes.
Confuse? Is it confusing?
No. So.
No, so that means you understand.
Yes. So.
Yes. So-so.
Confusing, so-so, good, and so-so.
I see. Okay. So let's talk more. Okay. So we have here. Now let's have subject, verb, object. So let's talk about that. So for example, we have subject, I, verb, enjoy. Then object is books, right?
Right?
Right. But if we put gerunds as object, it looks like this one. I enjoy reading. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that is our gerund right there. Okay. Now what about, okay, so enjoy. Okay, now in here, enjoy and dislike take a nouns as objects. So here, dislike and like is the take as nouns. But in gerund, gerunds are often used as the object. Okay, what happened to my mouse? Okay, but gerund is takes as the object of the verb. There you go, okay? Now we have
Okay.
enjoy and dislike also take gerund as objects. So for example, we have finish, keep, quiet. So these are the examples.
Okay.
Okay. Let's have more before we have here. Okay, now let's have exercises. Check comment. Oh, sure. Wait. Okay. All right. Now I want you to have here. Number one. I like. Hmm, I love. Hmm, reading. Reads the book. Okay, what about that? So what is it?
Book.
No. Which
Reading.
one is reading or reads?
Reading.
Reading. Very good. So our gerund there is reading.
Okay.
Okay. Now, like is our noun here now. Okay.
This ing is here and noun is next to.
Yeah, after. Remember after the verb. Okay, so that becomes a noun.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a very explained 5-star.
Okay. All right. So that's right. Okay. Now we have here. Okay, now let's go to your book. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we have here. Okay. Now let's underline the object and check. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we have here. And
And Enjoys movie.
Enjoys movies. Okay.
Noun is enjoy and corn is movies.
No. So we have um
A noun is movies.
a noun is movies. Okay.
And
What
corn is
about
enjoy.
how about this one?
We won't check.
Mm-hmm.
Mr.
Johnson.
Johnson
Pete.
quit smoking.
Okay.
Smoking is Gordon
What is it? Gerund or a noun?
Durant Ted decide dancing. Durant, did you
No.
finish your
Which
book?
one? Dislikes. What is it? Noun or a gerund? Are you sure that's a gerund?
Yes, because ing here.
No. I underline. Look at that.
Here?
Yeah. What is that? Is that a gerund or a noun? That's a noun. Dancing is our gerund. That's the gerund. But dislikes, look at that. Look at this. Underline, okay? We have to underline. I will underline and you have to tell me if it's gerund or a noun.
Noun.
Noun. Okay, what
Number
about
4 is noun.
I haven't which one is your noun there?
What?
Which one is your noun in number 4?
Finish. A homework.
Okay, that is homework. Okay. All right. So do you understand now, Sam, or so-so?
So-so.
So-so. Okay. So we will have here. Now I want you to choose and write. So let's have number 1.
My dad enjoys watching sports TV.
Okay. Number 2.
I can keep reading comics for hours. My dog dislike playing inside. He likes being outside.
Okay.
They
No,
finish.
staying.
Huh?
Staying.
What? Number 4 is stay.
No. My dog dislikes. Okay. I understand now. Let's quit. No, staying. So we have here playing. Number 5, that is playing. Let's quit playing this game. It's not fun. So that is playing. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. We don't have much time, Sam. So let's talk more about it next class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will see your sister now. Let's have a goodbye. Good night, Sam.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.